Hello everyone. So my fridge is a Frigidaire, and the issue that I'm having with it is it doesn't want to dispense ice, and it makes this weird thing when I try to get ice from it. I think like there's some electrical problem with it. And I want to know if you guys know anything more so I can fix it. Show you the model number right here. Right there. So the water works, just not the ice. Even if I do crushed, still doesn't work. So to try to fix this, I took this whole assembly off, pulled it out, checked all of the switches that I saw for continuity. It didn't, they all worked. And they all had good continuity. I also checked the this assembly back here, the auger motor. I even pulled that out and replaced it with one of my friend's same assembly, which he has a very similar fridge. Still got the same issue. As you can tell, the ice maker is working. The harness is plugged in correctly, and it has continuity for the wires that come from this part. And for some reason, it's just not working. So I'm wanting to know, is it the control board or some other issue? But it's kind of weird that the water will come out, but not the ice cubes. When I disassembled this and I looked at the control board, everything looked fine. I didn't see anything that may have been burnt up or shorted in any way. And as you can tell, there's no error codes either. So if you have any advice for me or think you might know the issue, please let me know. Thanks.